Terra Classic are planning a mega monthly burning of Terra Classic coin. Now, Luna are actually planning to start burning over 20 billion coins of Terra Classic every month. Wow. 20 billion bonds on a monthly basis for Terra Classic is going to be wonderful for LUNC. It's going to be something worth of celebrating because right now they are not even burning up to 10% or 30% of that amount. So I believe that though their plans recently, just last week, you see so many proposals, so many nominations coming up for the Terra Classic community who want to see the revival of these coins, who want to see these coins start pumping back, who want to see Terra Classic LUNC start increasing in price. So monthly burning of 20 billion is being expected. So I believe before the end of this month or next month, definitely there'll be a plan out. There'll be a plan to help see that Luna LUNC keeps on burning over 20 billion coins of Terra Classic. So many coins have now engaged in the burning of their coins. Even coins with just few circulating supply still want to burn more, because when you have few coins out there has a circulating supply, when then you see people trying to buy the remaining coins keep rising. It's just like in the normal market when you have goals, when there's too much availability of a product, that product loses value. Okay, when there's a lot of availability of a particular product that in the market is almost everywhere, the product loses value because almost everyone have it. But when goods are scarce, you will see when you have just few product out there and with a lot of people looking for this product, definitely value of that product will increase in price because people want to lay their hand on that product and they have only few products available. So what do you think will happen? Sellers will definitely increase the price of such goods because there is no much availability and the demand is high. So this is how crypto industry works. When you have few supply with high demand, the coins will definitely rise in price. When you have a lot of supply and that lot of supplies, there's a lot of availability of these coins everywhere, the coin loses value. That's the same thing that has been affecting Shiba Inu, because you see what Shiba Inu have done in the past. So I believe Luna need to plan well towards burning of Terra Classic. Thank you once again for stopping by.